Hi everyone, this is Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and I just figured I'd stop by and give you guys a couple different options for embellishments. This is an SVG from Marjorie Ann Designs. It's Franklin Sunflower Love, and this is the flower SVG. I cut it out in Quick Cut Design Space, and my measurements for the width were 8.0, the height was 5.042. I used a couple different papers. I used yellow Imperial Sandable by Coordinations. The brown is Walnut by Bazzill. And then this brown is another option as it's textured. And this one is going to be Mud Puddles Swiss Dots by Bazzill. Now, all I did was use an embossing folder on this one. It's an old embossing folder by Cuttlebug. It's Swiss Dots. And that just gave the middle of my sunflowers some embellishment and texture because I love texture. But then the Swiss Dots, if you don't want to use an embossing folder, you can just use the paper because it's already textured. And it did come, the file came with this piece of paper, and I swapped it out for twine. They were supposed to be on this, but I didn't want just paper. So I added a little pizzazz by using baker's twine from Hobby Lobby. And that way you can fold it under a picture, over a picture, or across the page, but it has more give than just the paper. But I love sharing tips and tricks and just little extras with you guys. I do have full videos also on my page, which is Paper Pieces and Leftovers on Facebook and YouTube. And I have how-to videos. And I get my paper from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. So all the papers that I mention are from them. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I love to help. And thank you for watching.